Welcome, today in front of me Doogee S40 and I'll show you how to turn off Google Assistant on this device. So first you should go to the Google application. And now here on the right upper corner tap to this icon and go to the settings. Now right here choose the Google Assistant section and scroll down to the general options. Tap here and near the Google Assistant you got here a switcher. Just to turn off the Google Assistant, tap on the switcher and confirm that. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.